Academy
2023 sketch video start!
Move your body out on the floor. Troubles aside, start living. Now I feel like a place, 'cause I'm in love with this feeling now. I hope that this will last a while. Should make it last a while. You like to drink, so do we. Get more bottles, bring them to me. Pour your glasses up, people everywhere. Now everybody put your hands in the air.
Sales Master, yay!
Feel like a place, 'cause I'm in love with this feeling now. That this will last a while. Should make it last a while. You like to drink, so do we. Get more bottles, bring them to me. Pour your glasses up, people everywhere. Now everybody put your hands in the air.
Good evening, Vancouver! If I can do it, you can do it!
So this is the reason why I told Atomy.
Vancouver Success Academy was so amazing. As my first experience as an MC and attending the Vancouver Success Academy for the first time, I really had a blast and I saw how much fun everybody had. Please be sure to come out to all of our events next time.
Today's Success Academy was super fun.
Today was so inspiring. I feel so happy and motivated. 감사합니다.
It was an amazing Success Academy. Vancouver people, they're very excited. You know, the members, I feel very comfortable among them. I was very happy too because they gave me great feedback that I inspired them. I encouraged them to do Atomy business. I wish them all great success and hope to see them again.